Want to disable an email account in Hostinger temporarily? In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the process. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. First, open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once logged in, navigate to the menu panel on the left and click on the Emails button. Choose the email account you want to disable, and it will take you to the Overview section. In the middle panel, click on Email Accounts. Here, you'll see a list of all your email IDs. Locate the specific email account you want to work on and click on the three-dot icon next to it. From the drop-down, select Settings. A pop-up box will appear showing the settings for that email account. In this box, simply toggle on the option labeled Disable Email Account and then click on Update to save the changes. Remember, this will only temporarily disable the email account. It's not a permanent action. That's how easy it is. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Want to get a discount on Hostinger? Use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. See you in the next video.